Gordo, mueve los birds.
¿Cómo?
I'm gonna wait a bit.
You can take a video of a bird.
¿Dónde está la mamá? Fíjate.
You can fall down.
Hey, stretch out.
You can fall down.
Oh, hijo de eso, no me caigo por andar de cabrón.
Mama, oh, but then you take a video.
Quieren de comer, gordo. Quieren de comer.
Oh, ¿están comiendo?
No, then once on it.
Oh, you want something to eat? Now, what do they eat again?
Ah,
What do they eat? Frijoles?
frijoles, chile, pozole, atole, tortillas. Look at that beautiful bird. Oh my God. Ah, bear.
Okay, do it again. Give me mira.
Gordo,
¿Qué? ¡Caballo, mami!
mira,
What?
fíjate que no venga la mamá porque me va a picar.
Ah. If your mom comes, she's gonna bite my dad. You get caught? Not yet. Dang!
No se ve la mamá, gordo.
Yeah? Okay. Like this. Hey, you need me to carry! Wait, you need no. You need me to. Let me try to do this. No! Let me do it, and then you look off. Come with me! No, wait.
Hijo de su madre.
Oh!